All right. How about that? This is 2 in about 10 minutes. So my neighbor here has an area coming out of his woods where this mole has been coming into his yard. And I came through here earlier and I saw an area that was worked up, but it wasn't very high, but I went ahead and left it. I didn't want to walk it down just in case he had just been moving. And sure enough, I came back, and when you walk up, just stand there for a bit. Stop, stand, and stare is what I say. Just stare at the ground, keep looking around, and look for anywhere that you may see movement. And if you see some runs, start following them. And you follow those runs till you get to the end of it. If one of them starts pumping, it's on. How about that? All right. God bless you all. From the Mole Eliminator, let's grab some moles.